How to use Gmail Part 9. Set Gmail as your email handler for Windows 10. After setting the Gmail handler, most emails sent from web pages open in any installed browser will be composed using the Gmail Compose page in the Chrome browser, and they will appear in the Gmail Sent Mail folder. You are watching a Tom's Tech Notes video. If you like this video, please wait until you are finished watching it, then click my name, Thomas Wallace, to visit my channel page. A welcome video will play to describe my other videos. Notes: you must have the Chrome browser installed to use Gmail as your email handler, but you can then send emails from any browser. The Windows File Explorer and some websites do not use the handler for sending emails. To begin, click the Windows logo, click Settings, click System, click Default Apps. Verify that email is set to Google Chrome. If it isn't, click the setting under Email and choose it from the list, and then close the window. This should set up the handler for both the Internet Explorer and the Edge browsers. To check the handler operation, open a website containing an email link in each of your browsers. I'll demonstrate for Internet Explorer. My personal website has an email link on the front page, so I'll use that. This is the email link here. When I click it, I can see that the email being prepared is being prepared for Gmail. So it will be sent as a Gmail email and will show up in my Gmail Sent Mail folder if I went ahead and finished preparing it and sent it. But this is the key. Verify that it says mail.google.com at the top of the page for preparing the email. Do that for both the Internet Explorer and the Edge browsers to verify that they're set correctly. Open the Chrome browser next. Open the Gmail page. If there is a double diamond at the right end of the address box, as there is here, you do not have Gmail as your email handler. To set it, click the double diamond, click Allow, click Manage Handler Settings. Verify that the mail to parameter is set to mail.google.com. If it is not, click the down arrow and select it. Then click Done. Now close the browser and reopen it to the email page. And notice that the double diamond does not appear now. Now, if there is no double diamond at the right end of the address box of when you open Gmail in the Chrome browser, you do have an email handler. But here's how to check that it's set properly. Click the symbol at upper right, click Settings, scroll to the bottom and click Advanced Settings, click Content Settings under Privacy, scroll down to Handlers, click Allow, click Manage Handlers. Verify that it is set to mail.google.com. Now, if the reason you've come here is you do have a handler but it's not working right, you can hover over the selection mail.google.com and then click Remove this site. That will allow you to reset the handler in Google Chrome as the Gmail handler. You'd only do that if you had the handler set and you were having trouble with it. If you do delete it, go ahead and click Done and then close the browser. And then, like I said, follow the steps for opening the browser again and resetting the email handler. For Firefox, open Firefox, open the Options by clicking the symbol here, Options, click Applications tab, scroll down for Mail. It's actually Mail to. Verify that it says use Gmail. I'm going to click it and show you what the settings are. Here's the choices for the Mail To. I believe this one works also, but I know this one works, so click Use Gmail, and then just close the browser. Now for the Edge browser, I left the settings alone, because when I tried to change them through the Windows settings, the default settings for the Edge browser, an email sent from the website open in the Edge browser didn't work. So what you do is you leave the Edge settings alone after you go through the Windows settings that I described first in this video. Likewise, I don't think it's necessary to change the Internet Explorer settings either. I think changing the Windows settings affects both the Edge and the Internet Explorer browser so that they will then work and will use the email handler Gmail. So we've seen how to set up an email handler, and once again, if you open any browser and then open a web page containing a link to send an email, the email will be formatted and sent through the Chrome browser Gmail page and will appear in your Gmail sent mail folder. Thanks for watching my video. Please click my name, Thomas Wallace, to visit my channel page to see more of my videos.